Professor Dave again. Let's learn some more about adjectives.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
As we just learned, adjectives almost always go after the nouns they are describing. But there are exceptions to this, and certain adjectives will always precede their nouns. These come in 7 categories. First, the demonstrative adjectives, or dimostrativi. This includes questo and quello. Questo caffè è delizioso. This coffee is delicious. Quelle scarpe sono belle. Those shoes are beautiful. Quei bambini vanno a scuola. Those children go to school. Just like the other adjectives, they will be modified to agree with number, but they always go before the noun, just like they would in English. The next category is the possessives, or possessivi. This includes mio, or mine, tuo, or yours, suo, which means his or hers, nostro, or ours, vostro, the plural form of yours, and loro, or theirs. Non toccare il mio gelato. La loro mamma lavora in un ospedale. I nostri professori sono molto esigenti. Again, this matches English, as you wouldn't say ice cream my, you would say my ice cream. Next, there are the ordinal adjectives, or aggettivi ordinali. Primo, secondo, terzo, quarto, and so forth. Renato ha vinto il secondo premio. Lei è la terza moglie di Francesco. È la prima volta che ha fatto questo. Next is the interrogatives, or interrogativi. Quale or quali, and quanto, quanta, quanti, or quante. Quale macchina guidi? Quanta pasta vuoi? Quanti soldi guadagnano? Next we have quantitative adjectives, or quantitativi. This includes words like molto, poco, and troppo. C'è sempre molto traffico qui. Loro mangiano troppi dolci. Ho poca voglia di uscire stasera. Next comes the indefinites, or indefiniti. These are words like qualche, ogni, qualsiasi, qualunque, certo, and altro. Ogni giorno è la stessa storia. Andiamo da qualche parte? Vorrei vedere qualsiasi film. L'altra birra era più buona. And lastly, there is the adjective stesso, which means the same. Io guido la stessa macchina. Abbiamo le stesse scarpe. So now we know a bunch of different adjectives, most of which are regular and go after the noun. But we also just went over a comprehensive list of the specific types of adjectives that always go before the noun. So be sure to keep this in mind as we move forward. Now on to more grammar, but first, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.